To add EveryDollar savings goals, start by logging into your account and navigating to the home screen. From there, click on the Savings Goals tab, which is usually represented by a piggy bank icon. This will take you to a page where you can view and manage all of your existing savings goals. To create a new savings goal, click on the Add Goal button. This will prompt you to enter a name and description for your goal, such as saving for a vacation or a down payment on a house. You will also need to set a target amount and a deadline for reaching that amount. When setting your target amount, consider what you need to save and how much you can realistically set aside each month. You can also choose to make your goal a repeating goal, such as saving a certain amount each month for a specific expense. Once you have entered all of the necessary information, click Save to create your new savings goal. Your goal will now be listed on the Savings Goals page, where you can track your progress and make adjustments as needed. To make the most of your EveryDollar savings goals, it is a good idea to set specific and achievable targets, and to regularly review and update your goals to reflect any changes in your financial situation. You can also use the app to automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. By following these steps and using the EveryDollar app to track and manage your savings goals, you can take control of your finances and make progress towards achieving your financial objectives. Remember to stay consistent, patient, and disciplined, and you will be on your way to reaching your savings goals in no time.